Why is these children playing ball in my compound now? Small time now they will break ceiling, spoil roof, and their parents will deny for them. This small one is even dribbling.
Papa, we are here.
I traveled.
Papa, what is your plan for me this Xmas?
Plan for you this Xmas?
Yes, Papa.
I'll take you to Father Christmas.
Which one is Father Christmas?
Santa.
Ha, Papa, I'm bigger than that, too.
Ide Chris? Who are you bigger than?
I'm bigger than Father Christmas.
You're bigger than Father Christmas. Do you know how many years is Father Christmas? Some Father Christmas are 50 years. Some are 60. And you're telling me you're bigger than them. Listen to me. The Father Christmas I'm taking you to now is coming up with a big package. So you should be happy. Relax.
Papa, Father Christmas, only what I know that Father Christmas used to bring is chewing gum, sweet. Papa, I'm bigger than all those things now.
But the last time I took you to Father Christmas, when you were 12, you ate the chewing gum. You licked sweet.
Yes.
So why now?
Papa, now I'm bigger than that.
It's okay. Okay, the truth is that this particular Father Christmas now will be coming with a PS5, PlayStation.
Papa,
what a big package.
Papa, those things are scam.
How?
Now you took me to Father Christmas, they gave me sweet.
So what do you need now?
I need a very big surprise now.
It's alright. I'll surprise you now, but for now, if you will not go to Father Christmas, forget about the Xmas. Others are thinking of how to eat chicken, how to eat turkey. You're here telling me the package I'll give you.
Hello. Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yes. Is he the person that I've come to wash the tank for the borehole?
No, he said he's looking for a house. So I brought him to you because I know you have a vacant room.
I have a vacant room?
Yes.
And who told you I would like this man? Danjo, when will you have sense? Why not stop bringing tenants for me? All the people you have been bringing, they are all nonsense. Nothing come out. Every time you'll be bringing people that will give me headache. Now look at the person you're bringing again.
Lord, he's a good man, and you like him. I have studied him.
In which university that you studied him? Where did you study him? Who told you I would like him? Will I like you?
Of course.
I go like him.
Check him out first.
If this man behave like others, after giving you quick notice, police will arrest you.
For what?
For bringing a wrong person for me. What is your problem?
I'm just doing my job now, but besides, he's a good man. Give him a trial.
Good man, what do you do for a living? First of all, what is your name?
My name is N Sharp.
What is the shop all about? Do you do music?
No,
Okay, what do you do for a living?
I deal on oil and
Gas. This is the person I'm looking for.
I told you. I told you will like him.
You are the person I'm looking for. Do you know that all my life, I've not have any tenant that deal on oil and gas?
Thank God from you. You like
Look at, see your package. Danjo is the person I'm looking for.
I know.
I'm comfortable with this man.
You are welcome. I know.
Do you know what is oil and gas? Oil, gas.
I know.
It's alright. What kind of a house are you looking at? 1 bedroom or self-contained?
I'm looking for 1-bedroom flat.
1 bedroom flat?
Yes.
I'll flat you. Take him to that 1 bedroom flat. He will like it.
The one at the other corner.
That corner, yes. Take him there.
Let's do. But landlord, you will compensate me.
Thunder fire you. Compensation kill you. Not be your mate they deal on oil and gas. Is it not your mate that deals on oil and gas? You like following people from nyash to nyash. Follower, disciple. Please leave here. Compensation.
Let's go.
This man will never want to hustle. He always want to be compensated.
Papa, are you sure of this guy?
Why won't I be sure? Do you know what is oil and gas? These people are into oil and gas. With him now, some of my story will change.
Which story?
I might need him to borrow me money. He will not waste time.
Papa, the only story that will change is that you see this your roof will turn to black. Very soon now, that guy will be cooking oil in your backyard.
That fake oil.
Fake oil, bunkre.
Abubakar.
See, they are the one causing all this rain. No?
I don't mind. So far money will come out. It's all about the money.
Papa, I don't like that kind of money. I don't like it.
Where are the rest people?
Landlord, they went out.
They went out.
Yes. I will pass the information to them when they come back.
You pass my information. That I called meeting in this compound. You are the one to pass information when they're supposed to hear from the horse. Are you seeing my tenant?
That's very wrong.
Very wrong. you pack out of my compound. Hey, Gapo. Eh? Look at human being. Anyway, no problem. I want to introduce you to somebody. This man here is the latest tenant in town. Hello? What's the meaning of that rubbish?
Okay, landlord, I'm only welcoming our new tenant now.
Welcoming him with a kiss. Stretching a kiss to a new tenant. God save you that he's not a rugged man. You're very lucky that he's not a humanizer. If not, he would have run you down to one bar. Maybe they will boost you with power bank. Do you know her?
I don't know her.
You see? They don't even know you. You are claiming relationship from nowhere. Eh? See the people I'm calling my tenant. I pity you. I called you so that he will know all of you. So you, tell him your name.
Landlord.
Say your name, you're calling landlord.
What kind of insult is that now? Why will I tell this man my name? We are the other tenants here. He's supposed to introduce himself to us. Yes. Not us introducing ourselves to him.
Do you know this man? This man deals on oil and gas. You, what do you do for a living?
Nothing.
You drive keke? Keke.
Landlord, you know that I drive keke. This one, where is the station? Do you have any fuel station or gas station?
It's okay.
It's okay.
Danjo, tell him to introduce yourself.
I should introduce myself.
Yes.
Am I not going to brought into this compound?
The first can always be the last. Are you hearing me? You might be the one to brought him, but he might be the one to lead the way.
Allah, I'm not introducing anything. If you won't introduce yourself to me, then forget it.
My name is Beauty.
Look at this one.
I stay in room 3.
Please, let's leave this place. I beg. You chop him. You want to introduce? You stay in room 10. You see you. Carrying yash everywhere.
Please follow them. Follow them. Follow now. Please hate this girl for me. Hate her.
Who is here?
Yes.
Oga, do you have kuli kuli?
Kuli.
Yes.
No.
What of 30 naira gala?
Ha. No.
You don't have it?
Yes.
You don't have anything here.
Hello, Aga. Good afternoon.
Oh my God.
No.
Why are you pushing me now?
Nothing.
Please, what is your name?
I'm N-sharp.
You're a new tenant.
Yes.
You're welcome.
Stop touching me now, talk.
Calm down now. I'm just, like, you don't notice me in that compound. Look at me now. Look at me. You don't notice me.
What do you want to tell me?
I heard that you're into oil and gas.
Why is it that when you people hear oil and gas, you would like to jump into that person?
Oga, fine girl like me, am I not okay, Just...
You are not complete.
Wait, I'm not complete like this. I'm not complete like this.
I said you are not complete.
Oga, no, I'm complete. Oga, please come, I'm complete.
Chris, Alpha. See, Chris, I don't really know what is going on in this compound though.
You sure say you there around? Just come where they busy, they chat with my wife, Chris. I don't understand what is going on in this compound though. What's that?
You have been chatting with that white woman since, no reply, nothing.
Get out. I will soon pick.
You, pick. Before you pick, police will pick you.
It's you that they will pick.
Let me tell you, I'm no longer understanding landlord though.
Yeah. What happened?
Could you imagine that since I brought that man that said he's oil and what?
Oil and gas.
I don't even know. Landlord is not giving me attention anymore. If I talk to landlord, then you go, later we'll talk. And not even only that. Have you noticed that guy lately? All guess is not only that guy.
No wonder, Danjo. But wait, oh. I want to ask you, this guy that you're calling oil and gas, have you seen this guy gas station before or fuel station before?
For where? No.
Somebody that is answering oil and gas, or you are calling him oil and gas, one cylinder like this I have not seen in his room before. It's even stove that he's using. I'm suspecting that guy.
I mean, everything is on news. I've not even seen him with any business concerning oil and gas.
We will monitor him.
It's true.
You see that guy? But meanwhile, get out. I'm busy with my wife.
Let me tell you. See, you see police station. You are busy with your wife. See, you see. I will not bring any rights.
Danjo, get out.
Oga, pay my money. Pay me my money. You must pay my money, oh.
Don't talk to my
Pay me my money. I said you should pay me my money. You have been owing me for 3 months now. You don't want to pay Pay me my money. Pay me my money now, Oga. I said it. No, I don't want to hear tomorrow. Pay me my money.
Hello. What is this noise all about? And who are you? Why are you coming to my compound to come and embarrass my tenant?
Landlord, this man here has been owing me for 3 months now.
Is that why you should cut his John Thomas? Remove hand here now.
Oga, landlord, you don't understand.
But I said tomorrow you should come and take your money. He has said tomorrow now.
You don't understand. Tomorrow or this night, this man might pack. You don't know this man. He's very tricky, so you don't know him.
See, I don't know how the both of you know each other or how the both of you are relating. But all I know is that he's my tenant. See, there's something there you will call to. Take it easy. Because, okay, what did he buy that you want to kill him?
This man here sells red oil. And I supply red oil for him. I'm the supplier.
You are his supplier?
Yes.
Come, calm down. You mean you supply red oil?
Yes.
And this man here sells red oil?
Yes.
My lord, so you deal on red oil and you allow me to hype you. You made me tell people that you deal on oil and gas. Now you have forced my hand. Why will you deceive me?
Oga, we need oil for our yams.
You people know him?
We know him since now.
Oil. Pack out.